Meaning of glossary.
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 Glossary. A glossary is a compendium of terms related to a specific subject. It serves as a reference tool for individuals to find and understand the definitions of words commonly used in a particular field. Glossaries are often found in textbooks, manuals, and technical documents, where specialized terminology is frequently employed to explain complex concepts. They may also include examples or explanations of how to use the terms in context. By using a glossary, readers are able to better comprehend the information presented and communicate more effectively within the industry or subject matter.